Alright, what's good, y'all? I haven't done one of these in a while. Little mukbang. And got the chips. Got some queso. You always gotta get some chips and queso when you go. Little tortilla on the side. As Napoleon Diamond would say, tortilla. No, not. He didn't say that. His grandma said it. Got the napkins as always. Fork, you know. I'm a bowl guy. I get the bowl because I like the bowls. But hey, man, let's get started. Don't roast me in the comments because I don't have like a tabletop or anything down here, and I don't feel like going all the way upstairs to eat. So I'm just gonna. Oh man, they kind of jewed. No, they kind of fucked me a little this time, but that's okay. Because this is always good. Yeah, man, so. Canelo fighting this weekend, y'all. If y'all didn't know that. Saturday night, fucking the Zone's trying to do us dirty, and we gotta buy the pay-per-view on the Zone, which makes absolutely 0 sense, but it is what it is. It's all business. I can't say I'm gonna stream it, but I'm probably going to. But hey, man, Canelo gonna get a 10th round knockout, 10th or 9th round knockout against this light heavyweight bum that I've never heard of before. And then all of fucking Mexico, all the Latinos, all the Russians are gonna be watching as this go down. Always consistent. That's what Chipotle is. Consistent always. I got the big ass tortilla, you know? Know what I'm saying? This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna split it in half, right? Boom. Now we're gonna open it. If I can open it. Alright. Yeah. Oh shit. Why can't I open it? What the fuck? Alright, here we go. I'll open it. Yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Now, boom. Pow. Now we're gonna make a little. Now we're gonna split it half again. Boom. Now look, this is what we do. Grab it like that, right? And we just load it onto it, you know what I'm saying? Got like mini tacos. Boom! Look at that. Little fold, you know what I'm saying? Mmm. I'm gonna check my crypto real quick, you know? Because I discovered this one. I mean, no, it's called Step App. So basically this one is basically like you do fitness and you make crypto at the same time. So $100 billion fitness industry, you know what I'm saying on here? I ain't gonna, hey, not a financial advisor, but I just done a lot of research on that, and I think it's gonna grow because you know fitness and you can earn crypto at the same time. There's a whole like movement behind it. Hey man, I'm gonna go crazy. Is there a UFC fight? There might be a UFC fight this weekend too. I think it's Gaethje. I think Justin Gaethje's fighting this weekend. Fights at, I'm gonna say 140. I'm gonna say 135, maybe. I don't really know, but I don't know. I might still watch it. But I don't know. Canelo's the same night, so I'm watching Canelo. More of a boxing guy than UFC guy. I know. It's all good though. It's kind of sucks though, because my boy, one of my favorite YouTubers don't really make YouTube videos like that anymore. Who's that? You ask? DDG. And I love his music too. So, man, just ain't in the background just making money because nobody knowing the shit on him because I want some content, but he ain't making no content. He making like one here and there, but bro, I need like the old DDG. Busting out videos left and right. Alright, here we go. Another one. Cause technically got a burrito and some more on the side. Yeah, boom. Look at that. Oh, another one. Look at that little meat taco, you know what I'm saying? Okay. I've been hearing some Chipotle don't have chips, but hey, mine got chips. Oh, don't look at mom. I just look at them. Alright, so that's gonna be the video. I'm gonna finish this all off. And yeah, man. Cause it's gonna be like a 20 fucking minute long video of me just eating. Cause when I eat, I don't usually talk. So, it's been your boy. We out. Peace.